factory wheels. Today we compare two supercar legends, the C8 Corvette versus the Ferrari 488. Is 90% of the performance for half the price? Let's go.
To understand the value, we first need to see how each car is born. Starting with raw materials. Corvette uses high-strength steel for its frame. Ferrari starts with aluminum. Ferrari's aluminum is aerospace grade. Lighter. More expensive. The Corvette body panels are stamped in seconds. Efficiency over art. Ferrari spends hours hand-finishing each panel. Labor costs explode here. Corvette uses automation for consistency. 400 welds per frame. Fast and repeatable. Ferrari still hand welds critical joints. Slower, more expensive, more exclusive. Both cars get corrosion protection. Corvette uses a fully automated dip process. Ferrari applies primer by hand in some sections. Adds cost without adding speed.
Corvette uses robotic paint for perfect even coats. Minimal waste. Ferrari sands between each of 5 paint layers. That's why the finish looks deeper. The Corvette LT2 is a 6.2-liter pushrod V8. Simple, torquey, cheap to build. Ferrari's F154 is a 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8. More complex, more expensive parts.
The Corvette makes 495 horsepower. Reliable, but not exotic.
This Corvette makes 495 horsepower. Reliable, but not exotic. Ferrari makes 661 horsepower. That extra power costs tens of thousands.
Ferrari makes 661 horsepower. That extra power costs tens of thousands.
Both cars use dual-clutch transmissions. Corvette's is shared with other GM products. Ferrari's DCT is unique to them. Every gear is hand-measured. Ferrari's suspension reacts in milliseconds. You pay for that speed. Corvette seats are comfortable but mass-produced. No handcrafting here. Corvette uses great suspension. Good enough for track days. Not exotic. Ferrari uses real leather and Alcantara. Hand-stitched. That's a $10,000 upgrade. Ferrari offers carbon racing seats. Each one takes 40 hours to make.
Corvette assembly takes about 35 hours total. Ferrari takes over 100.
This moment, body to chassis, is done by hand in Maranello.
Corvette starts first time. Test track next.
Ferrari runs every car on a dyno for 45 minutes. Corvette spot checks 1 in 10. Corvette hits 60 in 2.9 seconds. Almost supercar territory.
Ferrari does it in 2.8 seconds, 1/10 faster for double the price.
Quarter mile, 11.2 seconds. That's serious speed for $6,000. Ferrari, 10.8 seconds. Faster, yes, but not by much. Corvette stops from 100 and 125 feet. World class.
Ferrari stops 13 feet shorter. Carbon ceramics do that.
1.1 G of grip. Corvette hangs on like a supercar.
Ferrari hits 1.2 G. That extra grip costs 5 figures.
Corvette laps the ring in 7 minutes 10 seconds. Ridiculously fast.
Corvette is easy to daily. Good ride, good visibility, cheap maintenance.
Corvette is easy to daily. Good ride, good visibility, cheap maintenance.
Oil change on a Corvette? $150. Any Chevy dealer.
Ferrari oil change? $1,200. And you'll wait 2 weeks for parts.
Ferrari hates traffic. Hard clutch. Zero storage. It wants to be raced. Tires for both cars are similar, but Corvette tires last longer because of less aggressive alignment.
Ferrari eats rear tires every 5,000 miles. That's $2,000 a year.
Ferrari depreciates faster. 20% loss. That's a whole new Corvette gone.
Corvette reliability is proven. These engines run 200,000 miles easily.
Ferrari requires engine out service every 5 years. That's a $10,000 bill.
Corvette holds value okay. 10% loss after 3 years.
Corvette aftermarket is huge. You can add 100 horsepower for $3,000.
Modify a Ferrari. Say goodbye to warranty and resale value.
Ferrari gets attention, but it's tense. You worry about every rock chip.
On a twisty road, 90% of drivers cannot tell the difference.
At 10%, it exists only at 10/10ths driving, professional level.
That 10%? It exists only at 10/10ths driving, professional level.
Ferrari costs 2 to 4 times more. For what? The badge. Is 90% for half the price worth it? If you care about driving, yes. If you care about status, no.
Factory Wheels recommends the Corvette. It delivers 90% of the thrill.
The Ferrari is art, but art costs, and the maintenance never stops.
You decide, smiles per dollar or status per mile. Subscribe for more real comparisons. Thanks for watching Factory Wheels. If you like this, hit like, subscribe for more, and tap the bell. See you next time.